It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 11th of June. I'm James Spann. Again, today we're expecting a number of showers and thunderstorms around. Then the weather begins to trend drier over the weekend. Here we go. We still got the upper trough around us beginning to lift out. And we'll check the radar early this morning. Had a few scattered showers around. We'll see an increase in showers and thunderstorms later today during the peak of the daytime heating process. And like recent days, we might see some heavy rain in spots. Temperatures are mostly in the low 70s to start the day. Highs today, let's say 82 to 85 in most spots. Still got a flash flood watch for North Mississippi. The watch is expired for Northwest Alabama. Flash flood watches north and east of the state. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of the Dakotas early this morning. Heat advisories for parts of Oklahoma and Texas, and excessive heat warnings for parts of the Southwest U.S., including the deserts and places like Phoenix and Palm Springs and Las Vegas. This is the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Got a slight risk around Wichita, down toward Oklahoma City, a marginal risk over Wisconsin. This is tomorrow, marginal risk over parts of New Mexico and Colorado, and the same area with a marginal risk on day 3, which is Sunday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the west stays dry with a ridge. Around here amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch. And this is the excessive rain outlook today. A slight risk of excessive rain and flooding for the west central part of the state. A slight risk elsewhere. Tropics, very quiet today. Expected to be quiet for the next 5 days. However, chances for tropical development in the western Gulf increasing toward the end of next week, about 6 to 7 days from now in the western Gulf. And we'll take a look at modeling on that in just a second. In fact, let's dive into it now. This is the GFS. The 06C run valid today at 4, upper high to the west, broad troughing beginning to lift out. And again, we'll see a number of showers and storms around. Mix of sun and clouds with low to mid 80s today. This is the high-res NAM, and again, it's just done horribly in recent days, which it typically does in summer. All these models struggle with air mass convection. I think we'll probably see more than that. This is valid today at 5. Tomorrow, still a chance of showers and storms, understand that, but they should be fewer in number. A bit more widely scattered. Heat levels coming up, highs in the upper 80s, partially sunny. And then Sunday, just a small chance of any one spot getting a shower. The high close to 90, the sky partly to mostly sunny. Monday, same thing, lots of sunshine, low 90s. The risk of a shower very small. Tuesday, not much change. Wednesday, moisture deepens a little bit, especially over the southern half of the state. This is Thursday, the better chance of showers and thunderstorms over South Alabama. And a week from today, this is Friday, June 18th, we've got troughing well to the north and a tropical system in the western Gulf off the Texas coast. This is the European depiction. It's got the tropical low near Galveston. And one way or the other, the main impact will be heavy rain along into the right of where this thing makes landfall. And that would be probably upper Texas and much of Louisiana, maybe Mississippi. But understand this is a week out and we just don't know yet. Typically, the main impact with these early season systems, a lot of rain. At the moment, I'd say it looks like the higher probability of excessive rain with this tropical feature would be west of Alabama, west of the central Gulf Coast. But again, we just don't know that yet. Have a much better idea by early next week. This is Saturday, by the way. The next day we'll stay with the European. It's got the thing coming into the middle Texas coast. But again, this could easily change. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June the 20th. Main mid-latitude westerlies a bit north, the tropical system sitting on the Texas coast, and we have a pretty moist air mass in place with some chance of showers and thunderstorms. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 26th of June. Some of the members are way up there above 6 inches. And again, there's a lot of uncertainty with this tropical feature. Highs, most days, upper 80s and low 90s. Lows, upper 60s, low 70s, not too far from average. And the CPC outlook, this is for June 18th through June the 24th, suggesting temperatures around here close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.